In today's video, I will show you how to turn off global on Tinder. While swiping across different continents can be fun, Tinder originally introduced global mode to help people connect during times when travel was restricted, but keeping it on means your feed gets filled with long-distance matches. If you are ready to bring your dating focus back to your own neighborhood and want to grab coffee with someone nearby instead of planning an international flight, turning this feature off is the best way to clean up your card stack. To restrict your matches back to your local area, open the Tinder app and tap your profile icon. Next, tap the Settings gear icon to open up your account management menu. From there, scroll down until you reach the Discovery section where you handle all your distance and matching preferences. Locate the option for Global and simply toggle it off. Turning off the global feature ensures your profile is only seen by users in your immediate vicinity, rather than people worldwide, making it much easier to find connections right in your own community. And that's it! That's how you turn off global on Tinder.